Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you all features and benefits of the Peugeot Expert in crew cab configuration. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 points inspection by AA and it's covered under their warranty for 3 months, plus roadside assistance with single call-out for the first year, which you can obviously extend both the warranty and the roadside assistance here at the dealership. The paint of the vehicle is also protected by a triple layer of Gardex nano coat, which will make sure tree sap, acidity, rain and anything else won't affect the paint. This model is in the business trim, and as I mentioned, it's a crew cab. So you have twin sliding doors with tinted glass in the middle. On the rear, you have barn-style slide doors and parking sensors on the bumper. And on the left, you have the fuel cap over here and the AdBlue cap on the passenger door, just over the bottom. Let's take a look at the boot now. The cargo hold is fully lined with wood, ply lining, and you also have a full metal bulkhead, and the wheel arches have boxes housing to make sure you have a more even space in the cargo hold. Size-wise, you have 124 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 127 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then you have a depth of 152 centimeters, but you also have a 30 centimeters small alcove underneath the passenger seats at the rear. Let's take a look at the cabin now. So this cabin is in a 6-seat configuration with an independent driver's seat and a 2-seat bench at the front. And then you have a 3-seat bench at the rear, which also has armrests in between the seats. The headrests are fully adjustable and the driver's seat as well is fully adjustable. They're finished in charcoal fabric. And once you get into the vehicle, you have some storage solutions right in front of the passenger, some above the dashboard, and then once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have a full analog dashboard with a digital trip computer. The lights of the vehicle can be fully automatic, same for the wipers. And then you have the cruise control settings on the left of the steering wheel. And on the right of the drivers, you have the volumetric anti-theft system, the activation button, and also the beam height adjustment for the headlights. The infotainment unit is the NAC unit by Peugeot. This one is fitted with Android Auto and Apple Carplay through the cable. The vehicle is also fitted obviously with start and stop traction control, and as I mentioned before, the parking sensors at the rear. And it's also fitted with a driver's attention warning. Underneath you have the AC controls, plus the heated mirrors. The lock features for the rear, and for the rear just as a child lock, so you can lock just from the interior handle, or a complete lock. Then you have USB port for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality, and a 12-volt port. This vehicle is with a 6-gear transmission. And these are all the features and benefits of the Peugeot Expert in crew cab configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.